Best NY Matchmaker, Matchmaking Services, New York. Looking for love in the bustling city of New York can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. But fear not, because the Best NY Matchmaker, Matchmaking Services, New York are here to help you navigate through the chaos and find your perfect match. Be sure to watch the whole video because there is a surprise waiting for you at the end. 10. Match.com. With a vast user base and advanced search filters, Match.com helps you narrow down your options and find compatible matches in the Big Apple. 9. eHarmony, known for its in-depth compatibility. Matching system, eHarmony is perfect for those looking for long-term relationships in New York City. 8. OkCupid. With its quirky questions and detailed profiles, OkCupid allows you to get to know potential matches on a deeper level before meeting in person. Do you like our tips so far? Like and subscribe to our channel to discover more secrets about online dating. Or why not join our free dating community? The link is in the description. 7. Tinder. If you're looking for a more casual dating experience, Tinder's swiping feature makes it easy to find local singles who are ready to mingle in NYC. 6. Hinge. Designed to be deleted, Hinge focuses on building meaningful connections by prompting users to share personal anecdotes and interests. 5. Bumble. Empowering women to make the first move, Bumble gives you control over your dating journey and ensures a safer online environment. 4. The League. Catering to professionals in New York City, The League uses a rigorous screening process to ensure that you're matched with ambitious and successful individuals. Now let's continue. 3. Coffee Meets Bagel. With its curated matches and focus on quality over quantity, Coffee Meets Bagel takes the stress out of online dating in NYC. 2. Elite Singles. For those who prioritize education and career, Elite Singles connects you with like-minded singles who are equally ambitious and driven. 1. Talkify. As the best NY matchmaker, Talkify offers personalized matchmaking services to help you find love without the hassle of swiping or scrolling through endless profiles. Surprise! You are welcome to join our free international dating community. The link is in the description and comments. Is our video helpful to you? Please share and subscribe to our channel to get more tips about online dating. Want to know more secrets about online dating? Watch these videos next.